Egg recipe gluten-free. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Smoked salmon frittata. Serves 2. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 7 minutes. Ingredients: 4 eggs, 1/8 of teaspoon or 0.5 milliliters of pepper, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of light cream cheese, half a cup or 125 milliliters of smoked salmon broken into bite-sized pieces, 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of chopped fresh dill. Instructions: whisk the eggs and pepper. Whisk in the cream cheese. Stir in the smoked salmon and dill. Spray 8-inch or 20 centimeters of non-stick skillet with cooking spray. Heat skillet over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture. As eggs set around the edge of the skillet with the spatula, gently lift cooked portion to allow uncooked egg to flow underneath. Cook until the bottom is set and the top is almost set. Slide into a plate. Invert back into the skillet and cook for about a minute. Cut into wedges and serve. Number 2. Poached egg wild mushroom salad. Serves 4. Prep time 15 minutes. Cook time 15 minutes. Ingredients: 1 pound or half a kilogram of cremini, oyster or shiitake mushrooms, or a combination, sliced. 1 large shallot, thinly sliced. 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters of chopped fresh thyme or oregano, or 3/4 of a teaspoon or 4 milliliters of dried thyme or oregano. 6 cups or 1.5 liters of torn escarole, frisee or romaine lettuce. Half of a sweet yellow pepper chopped. 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 of a cup or 60 milliliters of balsamic vinaigrette dressing, and 4 eggs. Instructions: spray a large non-stick skillet with cooking spray. Heat skillet over medium-high heat. Add mushrooms, shallot, and thyme. Cook, stirring frequently until liquid evaporates and mushrooms are golden, about 10 minutes. Spoon into a large bowl. Add escarole, pepper, and cheese. Drizzle balsamic vinaigrette dressing over escarole mixture and toss to coat. Divide among 4 plates. Fill the saucepan with about 3 inches or 8 centimeters of water. Heat until water simmers gently. Break the cold egg into a small dish or saucer. Holding the dish just above the simmering egg, gently slip the egg into the water. Repeat for the remaining eggs. Cook in barely simmering water until white is set and the yolk is cooked as desired for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the eggs with a slotted spoon. Drain well on the paper towel, then place it on top of salads. Notes: for poached eggs with a compact oval shape, use the cold, fresh eggs. If desired, 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters of vinegar can be added to the poaching water to help the eggs keep a compact shape. Number 3. Hearty tropical oatmeal bowl. Serves 4. Prep time 15 minutes. Cook time 10 minutes. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 2.5 cups or 625 milliliters of milk, 1 cup or 250 milliliters of quick cooking oats, 1/4 of a cup or 60 milliliters of toasted coconut divided, 4 teaspoons or 20 milliliters of honey, 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of vanilla extract, 1/4 of teaspoon or 1.5 milliliters of ground nutmeg, a pinch of salt, half a cup or 125 milliliters of sliced fresh strawberries, half a cup or 125 milliliters of finely chopped pineapple, half of a small ripe mango, finely chopped, 1/4 of a cup or 60 milliliters of slightly crushed banana chips. Instructions: in a bowl, beat the eggs, stir in the milk, oats, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of coconut, honey, vanilla, nutmeg, and salt until blended. Transfer the mixture to a saucepan, set over medium-low heat. Cook, stirring frequently, for 10 to 12 minutes or until oats are tender and creamy. Divide among 4 bowls. Top evenly with strawberries, pineapple, and mango. Garnish with the remaining coconut and banana chips. Notes: for dairy-free oatmeal, substitute half almond or soy milk and half water for milk. Instead of honey, substitute maple or agave syrup to taste. Number 4. Muffin tin frittatas with salsa. Serves 6. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 15 minutes. Ingredients: 8 eggs, half of a cup or 125 milliliters of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of or 1.25 milliliters each of salt and pepper, 1 cup or 250 milliliters of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, 2 green onions thinly sliced, and half a cup or 125 milliliters of salsa. Instructions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Grease 12-cup muffin tin and set aside. Whisk together the eggs, milk, salt, and pepper. Stir in the cheese and green onions and divide evenly among muffin tops. Bake until eggs are set, approximately 12 to 15 minutes. Run a thin knife under the edge of each cup and remove the frittatas. Let cool for 5 minutes or serve at room temperature. To serve, top with salsa. Notes: a tip: substitute cheddar, Swiss, or provolone cheese for Monterey Jack cheese.